University.
Clinicians, professors, faculty, and staff, ideas, and panelists, welcome to CET Research Forum.
Yes, partner, actually we have a good day, we have a clear sky, and the question is, bakit ba tayo nandito today?
Partner, we are gathered here today at St. Lorenzo Ruiz Auditorium as we celebrate the academic excellency and the fruitful hard work of engineering students.
Of course, partner, we have our theme. The theme is
Exploring life-enhancing technology-based researches for sustainable communities.
Makilala mo na tayo, partner. I am Mercy Bagla,
And I am Samuel Wyatt Cannon, and we are the Masters of Ceremony for this event.
Alam mo, partner, we are so lucky enough to hold such a big event. Imagine from first year to fourth year natin to witness this milestone, despite pandemic.
Yes, partner, we are indeed lucky to